Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video I will be showing you guys step by step on how I make a bunny rabbit out of yarn. To make this DIY, basically you're going to need is one of these mini yarns, and they are wrapped up accordingly already, and I'm just going to take out one of the strings and basically I'm just going to wrap that around to make the body of the bunny. Once the body has been made, the next step is of course to get a piece of ribbon, and I'm going to be using this small piece of ribbon to wrap around the bunny's neck. We're going to be making the tail, so I'm just going to be using a Q-tips to do that. I'm just going to cut a piece of a Q-tips and I'm just going to put it inside the hole. Next, I'm going to be making the nose, and to make the nose, basically I'm going to grab a piece of Q-tips and I'm just going to color it in with the color pink. And once that has been colored, next I'm just going to be placing it into the hole, just like that. Once the nose has been made, the next step is to make the eyes, and I'm just going to be using a piece of paper and I'm just drawing out the eyes right now. And once I've drawn out the eyes and I've colored them in black, I'm just going to be cutting those out. Once the eyes have been cut out, I'm just going to be hot gluing them and placing them onto the yarn like this. Once I've made the eyes, next I'm going to be making the ears, and to make the ears I'm basically using one of these iPads that I've had. Now if you don't have iPads, you can easily use any sort of a white cardboard paper, or just basically use anything that really works out. Once the ears have been cut out, the next step is to place them on top of the head. And to do that, I'm just going to be hot gluing them, just like that. The next step is finally to make the feet, and to do that I'm just going to be cutting out the cotton part of the Q-tips to make the feet. And to do that, once I've cut them out, the next step is to hot glue them and place them at the bottom, just like that. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this special Easter DIY. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And also do stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more videos this week. And yeah, and also I would just also like to say Happy Easter to everyone or all of you that do celebrate Easter. And I know due to the situation that is happening in the world right now, we're not able to really, celebrate Easter how many of us would. So please stay at home, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, your family, your friends. And I will see you guys next time in my new video. So take care and happy Easter. Bye!